Good day. So for today's video, we're gonna talk about how to formulate research problem to create research paper for our quiz number 3. Question number 1. Are there differences between a project study and a thesis? Discuss your answer. So my answer is no, because based on the handout, it is clearly stated that the written report of a research conducted is commonly termed as a research paper or a research report in the academic field. It is technically referred to as a thesis paper, which is one of the major requirements in the fulfillment of an undergraduate and or a master's degree. Question number 2. In your own opinion, what are the 3 most difficult steps in thesis writing? Explain. In my own opinion, I believe that the 3 most difficult steps in thesis writing are steps 3, 5, 11. In step 3, it stated that defense of the proposed research topic titles. So, it's really hard to defend the research topic title, especially when it is not specific and it is idiomatically constructed, because many students are fun in making their research title topic more idiomatically to the point it lead to not specific. So that's why it's really hard to support and to provide strong explanation, because the title gets more complicated. In step 5, it is stated that proper documentation of review of related literature and studies. In finding review of related literature in the internet, some of it is not reliable and not worth to trust because it can be manipulated, just like Wikipedia. It can be edited by anyone. And it's really hard to get those review of related literature, because you need to sign up your account or be a member of something that can help you, just like academia and many more in the internet that can help you, but you need to give your personal data. Just it's have a fill up form that you will fill up, either you are student, a teacher, a professor, or any status you are, in order to get that uh, review of related literature about your study. In step 11, it is stated that analysis of data in coordination with the advisor and statistician. So, problems occur when the researcher, advisor, and statistician data does not have synchronization. Just like when I was in senior high school. Me and my group mates, as a researcher, we collect our data and we pass it to our research advisor, also our research statistician. So, after we submit, we realize that some data are missing and some data are written incorrectly. That's why at the end, we don't have a same result uh, and same computation. In short, our computation and our advisor, also our statistician computation, is different from us. That's why we need to repeat in order for us to create and compute it properly with the proper formula and with the proper documentation. So, I think step 11 is one of the most hardest, because you really need to be careful because each data matters. Question number 3. In your own opinion, What tends to be the longest chapter of a thesis? Explain. Basically, chapter 1 because it contains 9 subtopics and each subtopics are needed to be written very well, and it contains introduction, background of the study, statement of the problem, hypothesis, significance of the study, theoretical framework, conceptual framework or research paradigm, scope and limitation of the study, and last is definition of terms. So each subtopic or each parts of chapter 1 have different contribution to the study. They have different role and they have different functions. So it is the longest chapter because you need to check carefully and verify clearly in order to create chapter 1 perfectly. Question number 4. In your own opinion, what are the 3 most important characteristics of a good research problem? Explain. In my opinion, I believe a good research problem must be specific, measurable, and achievable. First, specific. The variables are clearly stated and relationships are properly cited. Next is measurable. It can be measured accurately by research instruments, of course. And last is achievable. The data are achievable using correct statistical techniques to come up with reliable findings. Of course, I really believe that a good research problem must be specific, measurable, achievable in order for us to achieve a research problem perfectly. Question number 5. Interpret the good research characteristic. It has enough related readings to help the researcher in making a comprehensive exploration. In my opinion, I believe having enough related readings can help me to collect more important information, and it can make my work easier, and it can also lessen the difficulties in finding other references or searching other related readings. So that it can help me to produce an output that is informative and helpful. Question number 6. The handout attached suggests 5 sources of a good research problem. Mention 1 possible research topic you will undertake for each source suggestion. Explain. So, number 1 is personal experiences. Number 2 is existing programs that need to be improved. Number 3, further inquiry of a conducted study. Number 4, through consultation with expert. And number 5, through extensive readings in the libraries. Number 1, personal experiences in life. So my research topic will be struggles, pain, anxiety, success. Nowadays, these are the most concern of people, and as an observant person, I believe these topics will help a lot of people to express and share their story to produce a research that everyone can relate. Number 2, existing programs that need to be improved. So my research topic is online modular educational system. I believe this is the most timely topic to produce, especially we are new to this particular situation. If we will try to conduct research, this can help us collect different answers and feedback from students, teachers, and school staff, even colleges and universities. Number 3, further inquiry of a conducted study. So my research topic is safety at the construction sites. I believe this will be a good topic because as we step in our new normal today, new guidelines and policy will be added and needed to be followed in order to keep working but staying safe in our time today. Number 4, through consultation with expert. So my research topic is soil stresses foundations. I believe that this will be a good topic because in engineering construction industry, there are changes because of the new discoveries and new theories that was made. Number 5, through extensive readings in the libraries. My research topic is construction material alternatives. Through reading different books in the library, it helps me wonder and think some idea that I don't know if it exists or not. That's why I think this will be a good topic because it can lead to brighter idea to think all alternatives for some materials that can't be available in the future. Thank you for watching and listening to my video. Bye-bye!